Here we go. State of Texas versus Leela McFarland. Right from the jump, the stakes are high. Assaulting a peace officer? That's not a light charge. Let's see if Leela can talk her way out or straight into prison time.
21 CR 11553, State of Texas versus Leela McFarland. Now parties announced for the record for the state. Defense. Are you Leela McFarland?
Yes,
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Could you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Your Honor.
Are you the same Leela Beth McFarland who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 11553 for the offense of assault peace officer judge on February 23rd, 2022 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Saturday, condition number 41, order adopted July 2023. These actions will Leah Beth McFarland, even if they have failed to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Marion County Community Supervision, Corrections Department's newly unused residential facility, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged in violation of condition 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court can find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 41?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. And that is to adjudicate guilt of non individuals under supervision, since you've been 2 years of intensive department corrections.
All right, probation. How was she doing other than not completing this? All right. So is there a reason you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right. State your name for the record.
Leah McFarland.
All right. So what happened?
I got on probation and I did fine. I didn't prove the address. I showed up to visit. But when I didn't have my McFarland, he made some kind of drug and alcohol maybe, and then there was no health exam, but I got those both in jail. So that's why I'm incarcerated.
So why are you not following the rules with mental health?
Well, I went to DDRS and they said I panicked a lot, and they said that
Did you catch that? By pleading true, Leela basically opens the door for the court to throw her in prison for up to 20 years. Question for you. If you were in her shoes, would you risk that gamble or fight it all the way? Thinking face.
what I shouldn't have, and I just moved right up to that.
All right.
Not.
Just one moment. Probation. Any objection to the court reviewing the documentation for probation?
Not right.
No, that you're making it seem like these were light infractions. These were not light infractions on your part.
I was trying.
No, I mean, when you call somebody an F&B, that's not a light infraction. All right. Anything, counsel? Any questions?
No, Your Honor, we're just asking that you follow the state.
All right. The court is going to find violation of condition number 41 true. The court is going to grant the motion. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification. Go around with this. I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? No. All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
So, no, I say it more.
Sure. So, you can file a notice of appeal or have your attorney file a notice of appeal. That notice of appeal is not for the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes.
But the notice of appeal can be based upon the allegations that were in the motion. Do you understand?
Listen closely. Leela blames anxiety, panic, and write-ups for her failures in probation. But here's the kicker. In court, excuses don't erase obligations. Judges hear this all day, every day. The real question is, are they buying it this time?
Your attorney will explain to you. All right. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own, possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you. We can go off the record. You cannot use your mental illness to be mean to people. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Good luck. 23 CR 2912, State of Texas versus Christopher Trinidad. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Vince?
Finally out for Christopher Trinidad.
Are you Christopher Trinidad? Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
I'm sorry, with your client?
yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Trinidad, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication, community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Trinidad, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as a second-degree felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? All right, after reviewing today's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, situation with my client was that he was security guard. Got home, there was an argument. It ended up in him being arrested. Through my investigator, there was we approached the complainant signed with not wanting to show anything further against my client. In fact, she signed out of her own volition in one accord the affidavit on non-prosecution. However, given my client's situation, he accepted the term.
Oof. The judge isn't having it. Calling someone an F and B, that's not a light infraction. This is where defendants often sink themselves, not by the crime, but by the attitude that follows.
The agreement that was presented to you, he is willing to abide by those conditions. And also, the order for the investigator that helped me out in assessing the case.
All right. So, Mr. Trinidad, what is this that I'm reading the police report about your video recording? What was that about? Yes, in the police report, it says that you became enraged because one of the complainants told the other complainant to be careful because you're recording. They said that wasn't characteristic for you, so what is the recording about?
No, just touching it.
Well, were you recording or not?
Very good.
Yes, recording.
No.
Recording other individuals because that's what's in the police report. How do you know these people?
They're my
Ah, so we have another family situation. So where are you going to be living? By yourself at another location because you're not going to be allowed to have contact.
I have history.
All right. Do you have any prior mental health diagnosis? Are you employed?
It was
Doing what?
just curiosity.
Do you have any children? What are their ages?
My son is my daughter. She's not.
So where's the 13-year-old? Who's he with?
What's in my life?
So you and your wife are still together? And who is your wife? What's her name? Huh? So what's the name of the 13-year-old first name? States you put in here no contact with Chavez. Who is Chavez?
Exhibit is a complainant, Judge, and if we can make not an injurious contact with Mrs. Chavez, I don't think she.
All right, I won't do that unless you can file a motion. She can appear by Zoom if she wants to appear by Zoom, but I don't do no harmful or injurious unless I've spoken to the complainant.
No, not as a complainant. Really shocked.
All right, no problem. So the court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication, $400 fine probated, taking consideration county court cause number 704628. There is an affirmative finding of family violence, CIPP course, 200 hours of community service restitution. There's to be no contact with Felix, Elaine, and Maria Felix Chavez. Counsel, once you set up a hearing and they appear by Zoom, the court will reconsider.
Right.
I'm going to want parenting classes and probation, whatever parenting classes you feel are appropriate. Once you complete those parenting classes, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Are there any drug issues with you? We're going to do random UAs, field visits, one time per month for 4 months. If there's no issue with the field visits, then probation, you may discontinue those. Probation, is there anything else he needs? The last name of everybody I'm going to give you is Chavez. All right. Is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful on this probation? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own, possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Ah, thank you. I knew I was forgetting something.
And there it is, 3 years in prison. No dramatic jury, no long trial, just a swift gavel drop. It's wild how a few probation missteps can flip your life from freedom to lockdown that quickly.
So there's going to be, we're still on the record. Added to your condition is proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you understand? And what I can tell you, because this is affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to have any weapons, so you're going to have to seek new employment. All right. And we're off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, You need to stay in contact with probation. If there's an issue with probation, let the court know, and we will pick up those matters. All right, thank you. Hello. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
How's treatment coming along for you?
It's been a journey, but been working with it. It's been kind of hard. As you know, I had to slip up there, and I've been doing my recovery every day. It's one of those things I've never experienced before. I did have a drinking habit when I was younger, and I just increased during my divorce. To foreclosure, I just but it's not an excuse.
All right, everyone, please whisper.
I'm it's something that it's been difficult, but it's definitely been a learning process.
So, what tools did you learn to make sure you maintain your sobriety?
Well, for one, I'm understanding that my emotions aren't it's not worth getting in trouble for. Learned how to relax, calm down. I have 5 children, so you know they test. 20-year-old and 18-year-old. Those are the two that really test you. But at the same time, they're growing up, so something that I've been able to process. And I did go to rehab for a little bit. And, during rehab, the process, I was able to release a lot of things. I feel like it was more relief. That was tough. Since, you know, we had to experience as a family. So I got to say, even though I didn't like being arrested, definitely been something that I never thought I would say that.
And if you're drug tested today?
Fine. I get drug tested every week.
Yeah, I read the report.
Okay.
Since you've been getting drug tests every week, your tests have been better, coming out negative, which is a good thing. And I saw where Child Protective Services, I assume, got involved because of this. What's happening with that?
Oh, actually, it was really positive. The lady was super sweet. She came by. She was my mom. She spoke to my children. She spoke to me. She spoke to the person I worked with. It was a relief because she was a really nice lady, and she never contacted me after. So I'm not sure what happened with that, but I know that it was a good thing. She asked me if I needed anything, give her a call, which I appreciate. And he had other resources that you know, it helps.
All right, so you understand that you have children who are depending on you.
Yes, ma'am.
Your mom depending on you.
Yes.
Family unit is depending on you. And sometimes when you do drugs, that could be the last time that.
Did you hear that? You cannot use your mental illness to be mean to people. That's a mic drop moment. Judges sometimes deliver lines that stick harder than the sentence itself. What do you think? Was this tough love or too harsh?
You do drugs and you don't want anybody having to identify you, because if something were to happen to you, there's going to be more drama and trauma to your children. Okay, so what did you learn from parenting classes?
Parenting classes were good. I've taken parenting classes in the past. I'd say it's a good refresher. I'd say I'm, you know, it doesn't come with a path of being a parent, but I feel like I'm not sure right now you're coming out opposite. I apologize.
No
I wish
problem.
I would have had a better answer.
No, you know, people always wonder why, when people come here for a criminal charge, that I always want to know about your life. Do you have children in the house, and why I'm always giving parenting classes? People think, oh, that has nothing to do with anything. But it has a lot to do with a lot of things. Because sometimes when people have a drug issue, part of the triggers are children. How am I supposed to handle this? Boundaries are being tested.
Exactly.
All right, so I'm going to terminate. Here's the thing. Do not, I repeat, if you're going out to celebrate because your probation has been terminated, that celebration should be, I don't know, maybe the Cheesecake Factory with their 90 or 100-page menu.
That's to terminate from we were terminated until the
All right, if you,
I mean, I waited
So-
this long.
all right, so it's the 10th. But you can still go to Cheesecake Factory. You know, they have a great Caesar salad. Caesar salad is all about the dressing. Yeah, but you can go there and celebrate with your children or some other place. They have a new place here called Bojangles or something.
chicken finger will be really good.
I haven't tried it.
My brain is going.
Oh. All right, so to my understanding, their prices are great. So we got an insight to Bojangles. I know. Maybe they have some delivery. I don't know. All right, so what's going to end up happening if there are no issues with you, then your probation is going to terminate on the 10th. And the last time I checked the calendar, today is the 8th. So 2 days, and you will be done. Well, I hope you've learned a lot from probation, and I hope I won't see you here again unless you just come in to drop in to say hi.
Well, parking's kind of expensive.
All right, yes.
Pretty much.
Yeah, I just want to confirm, the termination, do you want that satisfactory or unsatisfactory?
Well, we can do terminate satisfactory. All right, you're welcome. And does he need to report any more this month?
So,
I'll get tell you.
All right, thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
appreciate it.